Good morning everyone. If you're new to my video, make sure you like, share and subscribe. As you know, I always share good product reviews, share people discounts. So in today's video, I'm going to show you this KAFUWELL brand PA4843 factory wholesale professional. You can see the mini angle grinder, and the best part is right now they are the most popular in Alibaba. You can see ranking in most popular in mini angle grinder, so people are liking it. You can see 39 sold and they have overall 4-point rating and 2 reviews. As you know, real customer never lie. If you check out their reviews, if you learn, you will see overall most of the people are giving good reviews, because I manually check out all of their product from their store. You can check out if you want, and if you need this product discount, check out my YouTube video description. You will get some 5 to 10% off discount if you want. Now they also share a video. If you check out the demo video first, let me show you so that you can easily get an idea that this tool will be powerful or not. Let me open the video from the first. You can see they are sharing every single details, include all you will get, how you can install, and I will also show you the real customer reviews which will help you. You can see the tool is looking powerful, and if you want you can use it. Now this will open your eye. If you click these two reviews, you will see this person's overall, this person's give 5 star and this person said not very good. But if you check out the store reviews, you will see most of the people are giving 5 star rating, 5 star rating, 5 star rating. If you click page 2, then you will also see 100% recommended, fast delivery, people are giving good reviews. Here you can see a video review, people are using their tools, and you can see share that it's a powerful tool, using it like this way. If you want, you can also check out page 3. So good 5 star rating, so most of the people are happy to their purchase. And if you check out their others recommended product, if you want, right now they are number 2 in ranking in mini angle grinder. So if you want, you can check out their brand. They have others product available in their store. You can check out my YouTube video description link to check out this product, that it will really going to help you or not. If I give my opinion, right now this brand is doing well. Overall most of their product are selling fast and people are giving good reviews. So if you want, you can also check out this product. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button. Always check out real customer reviews. Real customer never lie. They will open your eye and they will show you their real experience. Subscribe, hit the like button and share your opinion, right, viewers, in the comments.